Okay, hello everyone, welcome to the video today. I just wanted to hop on here real quick because I was actually in my Inbox Dollars account and I was doing the spin and win, and as you can see right here, I actually won 25 cents. I just wanted to prove that it can be done, okay? If you're not familiar with Inbox Dollars, I've done a lot of videos on it, and it's one of my favorite websites for making extra money. And a lot of times people have said, I've heard people say this in the past, that the spin and win, you never make any money on it. That's not true. I've actually made not only this 25 cents just now, literally like 5 minutes ago. I've also gotten this $1 in the past, and I've gotten, I believe I got 5 cents yesterday. Or maybe it was 50 cents. I can't remember, but you do get the money every once in a while. So I just wanted to encourage you guys, if you are doing Inbox Dollars, to go ahead and give it a try every day. The way that you get spins, in case you're not familiar, is you do surveys, or you attempt to do surveys at least, which is one thing I like about it. So for instance, if we're going to try this one here where we could earn 50 cents, it says it's going to take 8 minutes, so I would click on here and it would load up a survey for me. Now, if I end up being disqualified for the survey, which in all honesty, I tend to get disqualified. In other words, they're not looking for someone of my demographics. Okay, see, I didn't even qualify. I don't know why it even let me click on that. It says, sorry, you did not qualify, but you collected 1 spin. So that's how you get the spins, okay? So we're going to go back. And if I refresh the screen, see, I had 4 spins, and now I should have, I have 6. Okay, great. And so that's how you do it. So I would attempt to do the surveys, because if nothing else, you're going to get some spins, and you might also qualify, you know, and you might earn the money there too. So let me show you how the spin works. So we're going to spin it really quick. And no win, of course. Now, I just won 25 cents, so the odds that they're going to let me win again, kind of low, but I'm going to go ahead and go through all these and try. Your different cash options range from 5 cents all the way up to $5. You can also get the what's called Scratch and Win Progress, which is what I just got here. So it basically moves this bar up here at the top just a little bit further. And when you reach either this box, or this box, you can play the scratch-off game. And here you can win up to $10. Here you can win up to $25. And the very last one, if you let it go all the way, it can win up to $100. Typically, you win less than that, but as you can see down here at the bottom, it shows people who have won. Here's someone who won 100. So that's another thing you can do. So let's go ahead and go through these spins and see if I win any more cash. Like I said, probably not. It's probably going to be the scratch and win or the no win, because it already let me win today. Okay, I've got 2 more. We'll go through these real quick. And last one, and of course I can go back and try to do some more surveys and get more spins, but I'm not going to bore you with that here in this video. Okay, so that's it. I just wanted to share that with y'all because, you know, anytime that I win money, especially on these things that typically don't pay out all the time, or people tend to say they don't pay out all the time, I wanted to prove to you that it does, and you can actually get some of these cash options here. So that was what I wanted to show you today. If you're not familiar with Inbox Dollars, or if you want to sign up, I'll leave a link in the description, and you can sign up. It's free. You basically earn money. As you can see, I'm at $27.83 right now, just by doing surveys, watching TV, playing games, and opening up emails. A whole bunch of other options as well, but that's just the basics of what Inbox Dollars offers. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the thumbs up button, and feel free to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and I will see you guys in the next video.